Make a great choice today with the 2020 Infiniti Q50. Q50 has elevated design expression by breaking all the design rules. Along with the signature appearance, it also comes with power. The breathtaking performance of Infiniti's Q50 engine leaves nothing to be desired. The engine block is crafted out of aluminum alloy to help reduce weight and increase responsiveness, giving you incredible power and a truly thrilling drive, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Your new ride is just a phone call away.